What's up guys, this is Louie and we're back with another video, and today we're taking a look at the limited time bundle from Spigen, which is the any of the anniversary iPhone 10 cases. You get a fast charger and a screen protector included for an extra $9, and normally it's an extra $70, so that's a pretty good deal. So we're gonna be taking a look at that today. I'm just gonna put this on airplane mode. So yeah, we'll just put that back there. Got our box of goodies right here. First of all, this is the screen protector. I'm not a big screen protector person, but because the phone is so expensive, I decided that I'm going to become a screen protector person. So yeah, and then like in the summer I work a lot, and I toss my phone in my bag all the time because I have to. Can't have it on me at my job, so it actually kind of need the protection. So it's like pretty decent stuff. I don't know. I don't really read into screen protectors that much. They don't seem very reliable. But next up we have this wireless charger. And I have one already, but it does not come with like a fast charging cube. So I don't know if this one does either. I'm kind of hoping it does, so let's get this open. If I can figure out how. Alright. So, wow, that is like a lot of instructions that I'm never going to read. Looks like we have no charging cube. So, if I got that right, they charge they charge how much? They charge $39.99 for a wireless charger that doesn't come with a charging brick. That's a scam. That's actually like that's highway robbery. The one I have right now didn't come with one either, and it was like $9. $39.99 for this. That's a joke. That's honestly a joke. I'm glad I'd never buy things from brand name companies for full price. I would have returned it. I would have been so mad. That's nuts. Like, am I missing something? No, that's it. They don't have that. That's so, I can't believe that. Okay, get over yourself. This is a nice cable though, and pretty long, so I don't know. I already had a wireless charger, but I was like, I could use another one, I guess, for my desk or something, like by my computer here, because I don't really have a wireless charger. And it's nice because you don't need to use up. I have very limited lightning cables, and I don't really use a lightning cable to charge my main phone now. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Feels pretty cheap actually for $40. The cable's nice though. If anything, I got a nice cable out of it. And now time for the star of the show, I guess. The iMac G3 anniversary case. This is really exciting for me because, like, the reason I bought this is the very first their marketing worked. The very first Mac that I ever used, and when I was very, very young, was a iMac G3. I really am unable to get this sticker off. That's unfortunate. There it goes. Like in my kindergarten classroom, they had iMac G3s, and I put like Oregon Trail on them and stuff back in the day. So there it is. Really nice packaging, which I should expect for a $40 case. So yeah, we'll put that over there. Get this up. So that, the reason I like this is they expose the Apple logo, but there's covering, so you can still see it. And it's got like the, let's see if I can focus on it here. It's got like the fake underneath stuff, like those computers did. And on the inside it says hello again. So pretty snazzy. We'll take off this Apple case that I've been using. I just like how soft these silicone cases are. Can't get over it. Oops. Oh, you can 3D touch when you're in accessibility. I guess that makes sense. Okay. So I guess we'll just... Oh, that comes off. Oh, are you supposed to... Okay. So you put it on like this. Honestly, that's not bad right there. I feel like this would be pretty good for drop protection as well. It just seems like the pieces would absorb all the nonsense. And those two, like, interesting. Okay. So these two pieces like lock together right there. So it doesn't, no chance of falling off. It looks like pretty thick, but it's like actually not that thick. I like that a lot. Okay, this was my my Spigen little haul thing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. We're at 1625 right now, or 5 minutes ago when I turned on airplane mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.